Hey guys, good morning. We got Ezekiel 20 this morning, and we see God speaking about the rebellious Israel again, and God saying how He will restore them, and then God gives a prophecy to the land in the south that He's going to set fire to the forest. What I want to focus on is one quick little thing here. It's in verse 6. God uses the term flowing with milk and honey. And we see that term often in Scripture. 20 something times that term is used in Scripture. But what does it really mean? So I'm going to do a quick little teaching just on that little phrase right there. And I hope you get something out of it. Word flowing actually means to gush. And actually, when you take this and you bring it back into the original Hebrew meanings, this is of a sexual nature, actually, to where the male and female genitalia during sex actually gush fluids out. So, so yeah, I didn't know that either. So when you start adding that with the rest of this statement, you get into the milk. The milk comes from goats. They had a lot of goat's milk. We have cow's milk. They had goat's milk, and which is a reflection. To have goats was a reflection of wealth. Especially, there was a time back in Israel where they wouldn't allow you to own any goats because they needed the land to replenish and build itself in abundance. Because, of course, goats and sheep are really destructive on land. But milk was a reflection of wealth. And honey, it very simply was desirable. It is something that was desirable. It was sweet, and it was just something that everybody wanted. And so when you add all three of these together and think of what God is telling these people when He says flowing with milk and honey, this is a land that is just gushing, absolutely just pouring out wealth, and it's pouring out sweetness, and it's pouring out everything you need, is what God is saying, I'm going to give to them. And, if this is how He is describing Israel, what do you think heaven's going to be like? A land flowing with milk and honey, just gushing. I mean, absolutely, the richness, and it's desirable, and it's just, wow. Can only imagine what heaven's going to be like if He describes this tiny little piece of land in the Middle East. So, hey, I hope you guys learned something. I hope you have a wonderful day.